are on our way to New York City to see Dr. Oz for a wonderful day of taping at the NBC studios. See you, right, driver. Don't look back. Just say hi. Hey, it's Michelle. I just got home from the most incredible day in New York City. I was at NBC Studios as a VIP with a guest on the Dr. Oz show for the 7 Deadly Habits, the New Year's resolution show that's going to air, scheduled for January 5th, 2010. It's been such an amazing day, an amazing experience. Car service back and forth to New York. Like I said, I just got in. So excited, just basking in the excitement of a long but very much fulfilled day. Take care.